They like their little coffee drinks. We got the complimentary breakfast coming up, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Asian Adventures with Jim. I'm over here at the Soho Hotel and Villa. In today's video, I'm going to go over, if you ever visit Koh Kong, it's a nice, I consider it a 5-star place here in Koh Kong because they have a pool, a fitness gym, they have yearly rentals, monthly rentals, daily rentals, rooms that have 2-3 bedrooms with kitchenettes, living rooms, to house big families. You can rent per a night. We'll go over where we're staying. We don't have the kitchenette. So come join us on this journey. If you ever visit Koh Kong, it's the place to come. I love when you're walking in right here. They got the koi fish. You're walking over the glass. It's pretty cool place. Like I said, morning. Very friendly people, very serene. Like I said too, we'll go over the prices and stuff, and if you plan on staying long term, come and talk to the manager. He's a great guy. He's been over, him and his wife been over in America. I think they manage stuff over there, and he'll work you out a deal. So yeah, we're here, thank you, at the Soho restaurant. Complimentary breakfast if you're staying at the hotel, because they have the long-term rentals here where you have the washing machine, dryers, 1, 2, I believe 3 bedrooms. Yeah, you got pork, egg, and rice. These sauces they have, like medium spice, very good, very healthy. This is like a pepper with like a sweetness to it. And this other spice it's a little spicy. It's so good, flavorful. But anyways, if you guys come to Koh Kong, Koh Kong's a big province. We're about maybe 2 kilometers from the boulevard where you have the Starbucks. There's a couple nice hotels there too, but they don't have a pool and they don't have a workout room. Then you got to go over the bridge, which is I think about a mile. And like I said, it splits off 2 ways. You can go over to the white sand beaches, catch a boat, go to this other island, or you can veer off, like I said, right or left. If you go right, then you're going to go down over by Thailand border, and they do have a 5-star hotel there with a casino. It's called Koh Kong Resort and Casino. They have the pool, obviously all the amenities, but for Koh Kong on this side by the boulevard, I consider it a 5-star because you have the pool. You'll see in today's video. The restaurant here, you could get the same food down in town for maybe $1, $1.50. Here, I believe it's about $3 a meal, but this is complimentary. Here at this restaurant, you can get, they have steak, shrimp, I believe crab. They have the seafood menu. So for you guys that are into the seafood and stuff, very good food, very good food. Yeah, it's all good. I haven't had any bad food here yet. So we'll finish eating, and we'll take you around the little resort here today, so stay tuned. Beautiful pool. Very serene. They got a little area over here, I guess, where if you want drinks or coffee while you're swimming. First floor with the door walls. And they also have, for you guys that are on the second or third floor, they have elevators. So yeah, the Soho Villa and Resort. Very nice pool. Nice little seating area over here. They have an upper deck. Like I said, for the 1 and 2 bedrooms, they do have an elevator, or you have the stairs. Good morning. Very impressed with this place. And like I said, if you want to stay here long term, you got to talk to the manager. They'll work you out a deal. Check out the fitness gym. Like I said, it's not the biggest, but it's okay, you know, to start your workout, you know. Some bikes, some dumbbells. The treadmills work great. The elliptical, enough to get a workout in. You're going to warm up like this body squat. Squat all the way down. Down further, then down further. There you go. Five more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice bathrooms. Everything's clean. They have showers. And like I said, the sauna and the steam room. They got a nice sauna in here. So let's check out the basic room. This doesn't have a kitchenette. $26 a night. You know, basic, nice, clean bathroom. You can drink the tap water here. They have a filtration system here. Refrigerator safe. A nice balcony with a view. Extra big window. Little seating area out here. Overlooking the pool. A gym, a sauna, steam room. Like I said, the nice restaurant. They have I believe it's 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, you know, with the living room and the kitchenettes. They have studios with kitchenettes. A little more pricier, but for Koh Kong, this is one of the top places to stay. It's the only place with a pool. $500 to $700 a month, but everything is negotiable if you go talk to the manager. They've been very, very nice to us. And the free complimentary breakfast, that is great. I'll show you later on in the video.